6 mistakes to avoid when buying furniture for your new home. If you are new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications for more real estate tips. As first-time homebuyers, finally having the chance to choose what furniture we want to fill our space with is really exciting. This can be one of the most exciting parts. However, we also need to have in mind that this is the next investment you're making after buying a home. You wouldn't want a piece of useless furniture just lying around the house. Here are 6 common mistakes to stay away from before buying furniture. Number 1, measure everything in the space before buying. The last thing you want is to end up with an expensive piece of furniture that won't fit through your front door, doorways, and walkways. However, it's one of the most common mistakes many homeowners make when buying furniture. Measure the height, width, and depth of the furniture, and check if it fits where you want it. Also, never forget to measure the space you will be moving the furniture in. A lot of people don't think about making extra space for right-angled corners, for example, which makes it harder to move around. Lastly, make sure you think about the space you will have to maneuver around after placing the furniture. Number 2, aside from measuring everything, you also need to consider the scale of the product and how much space is needed around it before you bring it home. You want a piece to fit into the space without blocking entryways or foot traffic, or without people needing to squeeze. Likewise, keep in mind how your room will work as a whole and try to keep things in proportion. For instance, too small a rug can actually make a room look smaller, while a bulky, oversized sofa can be too dominating or overwhelming. Number 3, a very common mistake people make is they buy without thinking how the furniture will fit their lifestyle. Before making a purchase, think about your lifestyle. If you have pets or children, or are you planning to have children in the future, these are all things to think about since it is an investment we are making for something that will last years. If you are someone who likes to have gatherings or family parties a lot, you might want to think about a larger dining table. Whatever your lifestyle is, it's important to consider if the furniture you're buying will hold up to those uses. Number 4, buy accordingly and know the type of care needed on each piece of furniture, which is highly dependent on the materials and finishes. Be aware of the materials the furniture is made from and see if it's something that needs constant maintenance. There is a lot of furniture that needs specific care in order for the wear and tear to be minimal. Number 5, during this process, we may get caught up in choosing style over comfort. No matter how attractive, never get caught up in the aesthetics of any piece. The furniture you choose should be fit for everyday use and should be both comfortable and serve the purpose it's intended for. Not to mention that you're going to live with it for years to come. Number 6, lastly, we recommend buying everything at once or having a plan as to what you want to buy. Yes, it may take a little longer and you may not have all the money right after buying the house, but impulse buying could eventually lead to overspending because the pieces you bought could end up neither working for your needs and lifestyle or not matching how you wanted, and the end result may not be the best result. If you have any questions or if you're interested in buying or selling a home, please call us. The Garcia team is always happy to help.